Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Deconstructing Vega session. Today we are fortunate enough to have Chris, a developer advocate at Vega, here with us. He'll be taking us through how to deposit and withdraw onto the testnet using the Ropsten Ethereum testnet. He'll be going through it all in a lot of detail, and he'll hopefully allay any concerns you may have had if you've tried it and been unsuccessful. So without further ado, I will hand over to Chris and he will begin the demo. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So welcome back for effectively part two. If you saw the recent video we did on downloading and installing the Go wallet or Vega wallet, thank you for watching, and this will be a nice follow-on for that. If you haven't watched that, go ahead after this and check it out, because it shows you how to install and run the Vega wallet locally, which is really recommended because you'll own your keys. So today we're going to talk about depositing and withdrawing assets from a third-party chain, which in this case is Ethereum. In fact, Testnet Ethereum, not mainnet, and depositing that onto the Vega chain itself, so you can lock that up and use that for trading or for governance, etc. on Vega. The way that's designed is that we can link Vega's own blockchain through to any other third parties, and we've just started with the ERC20 tokens on Ethereum as the first integration, and we've got many more in the pipeline. So here we've got the Vega console, which you can reach at testnet.vega.trading. There is also a great little bit of information here on how to get started, and there is the docs website, which we'll put in a link in the description below this video if you want to go and read the step-by-step guide for what I'm going to show you. So at the moment we have a Chrome browser here. I'm not actually logged into a console, I've just visited the website, and you'll need Metamask, which is this little fox icon up in the right hand corner. I'm not going to go through how you install Metamask. Again, we'll put a link to how you do that. We'll assume that you've done that, and I'll take you through some of the little steps that you need to do to get Vega console to work with Metamask. So first thing we need to do is connect to our wallet. Click here on the right hand side, and normally I would connect to my local wallet, but for the ease of this demo I'm going to go and use a hosted wallet. I'm just going to connect to it. It pre-filled my username and passphrase. You have to put yours in there. I've created a few public keys in my wallet, and I'm going to choose this top one, which already has some assets in, but that's okay. We're going to go through all the steps. So one of the first things that we need to do is to check that MetaMask is working correctly and is connected to the Ropsten test network. So go up here onto the top right hand side, click the MetaMask Fox icon, and up will pop a MetaMask window. Dagan, can you see that? Yeah, excellent. And right here at the top is a drop-down menu which allows you to change different networks. So you can change to Ethereum mainnet, Kovan, etc. Obviously, when we go towards mainnets, that will be deployed on the mainnet itself for this bridge. Quick whistle-stop tour. You've got assets, activity. I've already got some testnet Ethereum, 11.9849 ETH, and you can actually see my wallet is called account 1. Very boring, but I think that's the default. And the Ethereum address you can copy if you click there. So that's working correctly. I've already logged into this. When you log in, you'll need to enter your password and other details. But for now, let's get on with depositing an asset. So I've already gone into the public key within my wallet and clicked manage on the right hand side there. There's a bunch of different assets that are available on testnet. And what these are just test assets that we've created that model or resemble common stable coins, etc., that you'd find on a mainnet. So if we pick one Let's pick USDC test, which is TUSDC. The token name is there, and click on deposit or withdraw. As I've already mentioned, TUSDC is an ERC20 token that we've created on the Ropsten Ethereum testnet to demonstrate how deposits will work on Vega. At the moment, I've got none of this in my wallet, and I would need some TUSDC to trade on the Apple Monthly or experiment on the Apple Monthly market over here. So first things first, let's click on deposit. It opens up a little panel which shows 2 steps, where it's from and where it's going to. So in this case, the third-party chain is Ethereum. So it's from an Ethereum wallet, Ethereum address, to your Vega key. So you'll see that this is the public key and that I've got none in my wallet at the moment. There is a step here that you'll be prompted to do, which I've already done, and I'll show in a separate step, which is approving your MetaMask to deposit and use your tokens and the Vega website. You'll need to click that button or you'll be prompted for it in the flow anyway. I've already done that in this instance. Again, I'll show you in a second a different one. But one of the first things that we've given you a link to here is getting Ropsten ETH for gas. So you saw earlier in my MetaMask, I already had 11.98 Ropsten ETH. And all I've done is I've gone to one of these faucets, which is a website. I've put in that Ethereum address and I've requested some Ethereum. I've already done this, but I will show you just for ease. You click on the link. Here is a box. You pop in the Ethereum address that you copied earlier, and then you click Send Me Test Ether. It's already been done by me earlier today to get some more Ethereum, so I've got to wait another 22 hours and 26 minutes. You'll have a green box there if you've not already done it today. So back on with depositing. You might miss it, but it's directly underneath is the way you get the TUSDC. And this is important. Once you've confirmed your transaction to allow and approve the MetaMask and the Vega testnet to communicate, you'll click on this icon. Dagan, I'm guessing that you can't see my window, so I need to click on the number 1 icon. So this is an example of confirming a transaction to deposit some TUSDC. The one for approving the deposits is very similar. The gas price is very low. This is what you need the Ethereum for, the Ropsten ETH. I'll click confirm. Away it works. So you see it's in progress. And you can see a little spinner icon here has appeared. It says the USDC faucet. So we've created a faucet in our code that allows you to deposit these test assets, much like you actually just saw me trying to get test Ethereum. It's pretty much the same methodology, but for our fake tokens that we've got for use on testnet. And you probably just saw that confirm and deposit 100,000 TUSDC. So that was it. That was deposits. Then after you've deposited it to your Ethereum MetaMask wallet, you have to transfer it into your Vega key. So that's an important thing to understand about the way that this works. You're effectively buying or trading, converting the, in this case using a faucet really, but getting hold of the TUSDC, and then you're going to send it to Vega. And you can choose to keep some in your wallet. You can choose to put 1 in there, or you can put all of them in. There's a handy use maximum link here on the right hand side that you can click, and then click on deposit. Then you'll get another pop-up. Here we are. So again, small amount of gas to do this. Click confirm. Hide that away, and you're into the deposit in progress dialog. This is probably the longest stage of depositing into Vega wallets, because we have to wait for several blocks. I think 5 block confirmations. You can actually see it's counting down as more blocks on the Ethereum network get checked by our nodes. And you can click on this handy link to view on Etherscan if you want to see the actual transaction and all of the details. So it's been included in the block, and it will be reflected in a short while. So there you go. It's got 3 block confirmations. That's how much it cost, where it's come from to, and we put those links on pretty much everything. So we're just waiting for one more block. Please don't close this sidebar whilst that's happening. Just stay in the flow of that. It'll take a minute or so, or less than a minute, I think, in that case. And it says deposit complete. So let's go back to our thing, and we have deposited 100,000. So we should have 100,000 TUSDC that we can then go and use on an Apple monthly market, because that's the settlement asset for this market. And you can see my TUSDC 100,000 is available, so I can go ahead and put an order in. If you have any questions or any want to know more about that, then obviously you can just reach out on Discord or on the community forums or anything like that. It really is quite simple. It's the same for many of the other test assets that we've got here. One thing to note, the T-vote is not a asset that we use actively on any of the markets at the time of this video. It's used for governance, but you can still deposit one of those into your wallet and use it for voting, etc., in the same way that we just did with one that you can effectively spend or lock up as collateral on other futures markets. So next up, we will try and do withdrawal, which is effectively the reverse of what I've just shown you. So if I go into TBTC, choose withdrawal, and now I need my Ropstom Ethereum address, which we had before. I'll just make sure that I've copied the correct address. So I'll open up my Metamask. So you can see down here I've got various assets already in my wallet from different things. When I say assets, I mean ERC20 assets. So I just copied the address, and I can put it in there. There's also a very, very handy link, which is use connected wallet. So if you're not using, if you want to send to a different wallet, or if you want to use Ledger Nano or something, then you can put that address in here. And then you just put how much you want to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw 0.91856 TBTC. Click the button. And that was it. It's been withdrawn. It really is that simple. Confirm it on Metamask. There we go. Click confirm. That's pending. So the first step of the withdrawal was withdrawing it to your Vega wallet, and then the second step, confirming on Metamask, was withdrawing it off Vega and into your own wallet. So that's been withdrawn now, and that's the transaction that shows what I just did. And that is it. That is end-to-end deposit and withdrawal. So thank you very much. If you've got any questions or anything else, just ask on Discord or Telegram or on the community forums. And I'm very happy to chat about all of this. So thank you.
Amazing. Thank you, Chris. As Chris echoed, I'll see you guys on the community forums. If you have any questions, we have a Telegram as well. Best place to troubleshoot would be the forums, or look on the docs where we've got in-depth tutorials and everything you've seen in this video today. Thank you for watching, and tune in to the next Deconstructing Vega. Thank you.